Hey guys, we got this Poetic Revolution series AirTag Keychain keyring case cover. It's a pack of four, so this have all the colors like the black, blue, military, green, red. So let's open all this so I can show you the colors and then the shape and the things for this one. So here, like as you can see, is the green. The all other shades here. So this one is pretty good, and like the AirTag that is from the Apple to track your devices or the wallet and stuff. So these are the four set here, all the different colors and things, very like flexible material, and then it's a drop protection, hard on the outside, and it can also impact resistant product with this all different things. And this scratch resistant on the top, and then this have this keychain holder, so you can just use it to put your car keys or anything you want. So this carabiner is for quick and easy application, pretty good solid quality, and then this is the flexible to put in your AirTag. So let me just I put my AirTag in here. You can see like in the blue one, and then this fits well and very tight fitting here, protective as well. And then I can just put in my keys here. So just say like I'm just putting in my keys and this tag, and that is goes really well. So it's pretty nice AirTag covers, and with a really four nice different colors. Very nice case.